Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going to be going through sight words. I believe that every child can learn very, very quickly. You know about artificial intelligence, you're probably familiar with it. It's a concept that's becoming a reality where a computer algorithm continues to get better and better and better, and hopefully they reach a point where the computer program trains itself. Okay, so that's my bad definition of artificial intelligence. Now, contrast that with natural intelligence, God-given intelligence. God has given us each an intelligent mind. Now, whether we exercise that mind is up to us and up to educators to help children exercise their minds. But whether or not we actually make children exercise their minds or encourage them to exercise their minds, their intelligence, children are naturally going to learn. Yes, they are going to learn at all times, whether you think they're learning or not. That's how they pick up bad habits. That's how they pick up bad words. Okay, so we want to focus on good words, and in this video, again, we're going to be looking at sight words. Now, what are sight words? Sight words are very common, frequently seen, and frequently used words. Words like all, be, this, that, the, a, and, to, from, okay? We don't want kids sounding these words out every time that they come across them when they're reading. There's a few reasons for that. Number one, the frequency. So these high frequency words, we want them to memorize, okay? And second of all, sight words don't always follow phonetic rules, okay? And so it can be kind of confusing when you're teaching phonetics and you're always making these exceptions. What I do is I tell my children, just memorize these words. They're sight words. We'll work on phonics later on other words, but these are sight words, so memorize them. Okay, now, my sight word cards were just made out of recycled paper using crayon. And it's a very cheap and easy thing to do. Anyone can do it. So if you're on a budget, grab some old A4, cut them up into 8 equal sizes. You can do that by folding it. Grab some crayons and you're ready to go. All you need is a list of sight words to begin with, which is easily found on the internet. Now, I'm going to pull the kids in here and we're going to go through these sight words. We reviewed these sight words last night and they did pretty well, but we haven't looked at these sight words in over a month. We used to do them more frequently than that. We used to do them every night, but the kids quickly got bored. And when they're bored, they like to act up. So to keep things fresh, we just set these aside for a week or 2 weeks or even a month, and then we come back to them later. So now I'm going to bring the kids in. I'm going to see how well they do. Okay, Mary, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, Mary is 4 years old. Let's see how well she does.
Play.
Very good.
A.
Very good.
See.
Uh-huh.
How.
Wow.
Help.
Help. Very good.
Is.
That's right. That is. What sound does this make? Uh-huh. This. Very good. Very good.
There.
It would be there if there was a T here, but this is here.
Here.
Was.
Was. You.
Very good.
By.
Very good. That.
That. White.
Look. Very good. They.
They. Of.
Oh, very good.
As.
As.
In.
In. Mm-hmm, that's right. My. My. Very good.
Her.
Her. It's very good. You got the T sound correct. It's to
go.
Go. Or like but from
there.
James, you want to help? What is this?
There.
There, good, very good.
She. Said.
Said, very good.
On.
On.
Have.
Have.
And.
And. Had. Say it nicely. We. Ooh, moving the camera. We. With.
For.
Can you say it nicely?
I.
Can you say it nicely? Can you say it nicely?
I.
Can you say it nicely? I. Can you sing it? Okay. All. Okay. Word.
Word is
Are.
Him.
Him. Thank you, James. Thank you. Can you say it nicely? You're moody today, aren't you? You're moody. He. Big. Very good. You two did such a good job. You two are so smart. You can learn anything. Yes, you can. So James was a little bit moody, but you know, these things happen. So he liked to goof off with the words like here, there, are. Okay, just roll with it. As a friend once told me, who was very smart, and she passed on knowledge to me from one of her smart friends, she said, just ignore bad behavior. Now, I don't know to what extreme that goes to. Clearly, there are some behaviors that are unacceptable, but sometimes when kids are just moody and they're in a bad mood, hey, ignore that bad behavior and move on. Okay, now today I'm gonna offer you a riddle. What is black and white and red all over? If you know the answer to this riddle, put it down in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, be sure to let us know. And if you've used this with your own kids, let us know. Okay, everyone, have a great day. God bless you. God bless everyone watching this video. The name of Jesus be exalted, and may the peace of Jesus be with you. Bye-bye.